In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid on Ecwid and withdraw your funds in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just starting out with your first store, being able to efficiently manage and withdraw your funds is crucial for maintaining your business's cash flow. Don't worry, we'll go through everything you need clearly and thoroughly so you can have a seamless experience. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to your Ecwid control panel. This is essentially the hub of your Ecwid operations where you manage everything related to your online store. Accessing it is as easy as opening up your web browser and logging into your Ecwid account. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed by your dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself. It's full of important information about your store. Next, locate and click on the payment section. You'll find this easily on the menu to your right. This area is your central place for managing how you receive payments from sales. It's absolutely essential to set this up correctly to ensure smooth transactions and ultimately that you get paid. Once in the payments section, you will see a list of all the accounts you have connected. Each account listed here represents a channel through which you can receive payments. Be sure to verify that all your necessary accounts are linked. This connection is what allows your revenue from sales to be sent straight to your bank account or digital wallet seamlessly. At this point, you might have questions about what payment gateways you could use. Ecwid supports a wide variety of payment options including PayPal, Stripe, and many more. This flexibility is excellent, enabling you to offer your customers multiple ways to pay, something that not only improves the customer experience, but potentially boosts sales. After ensuring your accounts are linked correctly, the process of actually withdrawing your funds should be automatic once setup is completed. The funds from your sales will be transferred directly to the chosen account specified in your payment settings. Occasionally, depending on your chosen payment gateway, there may be certain payout periods or thresholds. Double check those conditions so there are no surprises when it comes to seeing those funds in your account. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've set up your account to receive payments from Ecwid sales reliably. Remember, ensuring everything is connected correctly at the start avoids complications later on. Happy selling, and may your sales roll in smoothly and steadily. Thanks for joining me, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have more questions related to managing your Ecwid store.